What's up, guys? We're back. We're heading to the shop now. We're going to be messing with Charles, Colorado a little bit today. So this intro is actually being filmed in the future from a lot of stuff that I've already filmed because we've already built the motor and we've already had the transmission checked out as well. So we're going to insert a little montage here of putting the motor together. It's basically the bare bones cheapest way you can build an LS. We done some Summit pistons, like 200 some bucks, and we done like the cheapest eBay rods you could get. So we're really going to be putting this setup to the test. It could be better than the Gen 4 stuff. It could be worse. So, but I'm at the shop now. We're going to go ahead and try and get this stuff knocked out, put in the truck today. And I guess we're going to go ahead and cue the montage now of assembling the motor and getting the trans checked out. So stay tuned. Down here, Thompson's Transmission in Rogersville, Tennessee. He's already knocked this trans completely out, like disassembled. It's been an hour.
Yeah,
that's it. It's halfway back together. I mean, he's trading us out this slick black case. We just seen it sitting in the corner. We're like, man, that thing looked pretty nice. So he's gonna toss all our stuff back in this. He's doing some upgrades for us, and he's gonna knock us out.
I mean, that's actually the worst stuff on the transmission. You can see we're slipping.
Yeah.
And I'd say because where you were talking about your line pressure
falling off.
Yeah. And that's hot spotted.
We're gonna fix that this time, anyway.
Yeah, but I mean, 500 some passes.
Yeah, I know.
Like, you couldn't. I mean, a clutch is gonna look worse than that.
Yeah. I can't tell you how many times I hot lapped it at Rogersville.
Get the full service here.
You guys want a Garfield phone for your office?
It's nice meeting you.
You too. I appreciate you letting me film, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Get it. Get it on me, man. Yeah.
Oh, we're wrecking. All right, y'all, and just like that, we're back at the shop. We got the transmission in here. Huge shout out to Jason over at Thompson's Transmission and Auto Repair. There's his information if you need anything. Dude says he does any kind of transmission you need done. Mainly automatics. He don't mess with manuals too much, but like I said, that transmission's been in the Colorado back here for 2 years, taking a beating, and that thing looked mint tearing it apart. There was a few little things here and there. We just decided since it's already out, we might as well go ahead and freshen it up, inspect it, and just do a little bit of preventative maintenance. And he was nice enough to hook us up and done a couple of upgrades in this thing, so it's gonna be even stronger now. And he tried a few things out on this that he's not tried before, so we're really gonna see how this thing holds up now. Stuff this thing.
We're hitting the tire. We're hitting the tire.
Oh, we can keep twisting, boys. That was going pretty good.
Group home.
Oh, yeah. Hit your damn thumb, Charlie. Bounce your butt. All right. Yeah, come down with it.
I'm perfect right there.
Actually, you're holding
Yeah,
perfect.
go ahead. Drop it.
Oh, honey, hush.
Drop it like it's hot.
Right there, it's perfect.
That's that boy.
Leave a little tension on it so it don't drop back until we get it bolted on.
Nice work, team.
I'm pretty.
Air pump.
I hear you just say, I have things to do, and then you walked over there to do that.
Yeah, that's exactly.
Oh my God.
If this thing propels you.
Need more voltage.
There she goes. God dang. She on 60-foot well, but she come in on the big end.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switcher.
You came to my room and you kissed me in my mouth this morning. We're past reason, thank you.
Yeah.
Whoa. Whoa. I'm gonna head out. God dang.
Focus. Why you so blurry, cuz?
Alright, y'all, we got the motor stabbed in here. We're gonna go ahead and get all the accessories on. Trans, converter, manifolds, all that knocked out, and we'll probably see at some point throughout the process. But
Easy on that cheapy back hander, bro.
Watch that.
is this not factory?
No.
She's a salvage title, boy.
God dang.
Dang, bro.
People don't
They
even-
bend easy.
Alright, y'all, what Charles has done here is, that's just a freeze plug, right?
Yeah.
He flipped it inside out,
Yep.
and he's kind of glued it into place there. You can see it protrudes, which the idea here is this bracket will sandwich that in to hold the other freeze plug in, because we got these Motion Raceworks billet block offs here, and apparently this side will not fit with this bracket. Now we could probably modify that, but it's just not worth the time. We're going to try that. We got the block offs all the way around everywhere else, but I guess this is just going to be something we're going to try. We'll see, yeah. Let's sandwich that thing in, see if she touches. Alright, slide that boy on there. Man, that's perfect, honestly.
Yep.
It is. Cool deal, back on track.
Basically wake up in the morning and piss excellence. That's me
I mean, first try. All right, we got the converter back from Precision Industries. We just went a step tighter, right?
yes,
that's
that's
it.
tighter and 6 pads instead of 4 or 3.
Yep, so just got a pad all the way around. So we're gonna get this thing filled up with some HydroGuard and High Guard. Why did I say HydroGuard? Is that a thing?
High guard.
High Guard. All right, we're gonna get that filled up, and we got to cut the ears off the transmission to clear the tunnel. But other than that, we're getting pretty close to slamming all that together. All right, y'all, the truck's about back together. Top end up here, everything's about buttoned up. We got a blow off valve we still got to toss on right here, and that's about it on this side. The trans and converter is back in down here. We're good to go on all that, but we are having one slight problem. We changed the motor mounts in this thing, which unfortunately it raised the motor up about 1 inch, which means the turbo kit we fabbed for this thing, it don't fit no more at all. So we're doing some ghetto shit, and I believe it's gonna work. Charles is welding up on this stuff right now, and y'all should be able to tell exactly what the plan is on this.
Huh? Oh, no, don't look at it. No,
That's too late.
No, I'm
V
just-
bands on top of V bands.
V bands for days.
But it's gonna work. Like
Hey, if it works, it's right.
yeah, it ain't gonna leak. So it'd be nice if we could do it on the other side, but he's gonna get all that finished welded up.
Ready?
Is it all hooked up? Yeah. All right. Let's blow a garage door off this unit.
I don't know if I'm ready for this, man.
You said you don't remember tightening the oil pump thing, right?
Yeah, I don't know if the oil pump's tight. We'll figure it out.
You gonna say that now?
He said that.
I feel like I'm in a bad zone right now.
All right, no time like the present, right?
Eh.
Send it.
Oh, bud. What's that noise?
I don't know.
I don't know if I plugged in the crank position sensor.
I didn't mess with that part. Where the fuck's it at?
Dang, bud. You just gonna leave crank sensor unplugged?
Okay.
Hold on. I don't think the under is on. Okay.
Hell yeah. Got a bad exhaust leak. Woo! She still got it. Damn, bud. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. The truck is fired up. Sounds great. We got a little noise coming from the starter. There's like the gears not disengaging, so need to get a new starter for it, but ran it through all the gears. Everything's working great. Great oil pressure. Coolant temp's great. So I believe we done it. So we're gonna put this motor to the test and the transmission test. We're gonna put it all to the test. So if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see some more, and until next time, peace.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my